I'm Blake, and we're Team Rocket. I just want to start by saying it's been a rough year for businesses in Australia, with over a third of businesses, regardless of size, reporting that they expect it to be difficult to meet financial commitments over the next 3 months, and with the recession on the way, it's looking pretty bleak for many business owners. And on the consumer side, it's really not too great either. People are scared to go out and shop, and when they do, they're often subjected to long lines. Every time my family goes out, I worry about their health as well as my own. So the problem is pretty simple. How do we help these brick and mortar businesses succeed while also maintaining safety for both their customers and their employees? And not just help them get by, but help them thrive during and after this pandemic. Our solution is simple. We leverage an old technology that already exists within most businesses, CCTV cameras, and a new one, cloud-based machine vision, in order to have real-time store capacity tracking. So, what would this actually look like? Imagine it's a Monday. You need to pick up some groceries for your family, and instead of driving to the shops, you pull out your phone and search for the current capacity at Coles. On the website itself, Coles reassures you that they're currently under their max capacity, highlighted by the dashed line. You can also feel secure knowing that for the whole of today, they've been COVID safe, staying well below their limits. You also realize that if you just wait a couple more hours, you can pick up your groceries and there'll be a lot less people. This not only gives individuals back the freedom to feel safe while shopping, but also strengthens the trust that has been lost between businesses and their consumers. And this data is not only beneficial to consumers, but also for businesses. Custom accounting is already a staple used by many big businesses, yet it's always been just out of reach for the small guys. By providing this data at an affordable price, we can assist small businesses, not only to understand their customers better, but allow them to provide new and exciting experiences using that data. But come on, how is our solution different to the competitors? Especially, as I mentioned before, capacity tracking already exists and is nothing new. We set ourselves apart by outperforming and undercutting other technologies. Instead of hiring someone to count people manually, which is expensive but relatively easy, or buying expensive proprietary equipment that's well over $1,000 and is hard to use and hard to get data from, we utilize pre-existing CCTV technology. This means we can implement a purely software solution instead of buying all the necessary hardware. This significantly reduces costs while delivering the same great data and insights. Simply put, we can deliver a fantastic user experience for both the customer and the business while significantly reducing overhead. But come on, how much does this really cost? So, for a small business, it's only $2.50 a day, less than a cup of coffee. And that's still factoring in a 25% profit margin for us. Now, this can only be achieved through a cloud-first architecture. Streamline is based in Google Cloud using a wide range of their products. By leveraging pre-trained computer vision models on Google Cloud, we're able to eliminate the time and cost needed to design and implement a custom solution. So how does it work? Streamline plugs into a business's CCTV cameras and detects motion at an entrance or exit. It then quickly snaps a few photos, selecting the best one to send to the cloud. Once this photo is received, it's piped to Google Cloud Vision API. And that simply determines whether someone's coming in or coming out. That classification data is then sent to a Firestore database, where only the text classification data is stored, not the images. This is important because it means that the database is very small. From Firestore, businesses can choose how to send information out and what information is sent out to customers, whether that be a website or an app. And because this data is stored in the cloud, it is available 24/7. At a moment's notice, a business can download the data and they're free to use it. So for a business under 1,000 customers a day, Streamline would only cost $2 in operational costs per day. Overall, Streamline does three main things. It keeps your customers safe, it supplies high quality business data, and it does this for a fair price. At its core, Streamline is designed to keep customers and employees safe. And a great byproduct of this is that it increases the peace of mind, which ultimately will increase overall store traffic. It's going to help businesses make better decisions by giving them the data that they so desperately need. And the cherry on top is it's affordable. Even small businesses now can get into tracking their customers. Thank you for listening. And I really hope you're as excited as we are for Streamline. Thank you.